I just saw an excavator yesterday, and it's very, very cool. And my dad is gonna pull up and look at it. Well, pull up and look at it. I want to pull up and look at it.
Yep, I'm backing up so you can see it on your side.
On my side? Okay. So it's gonna appear in my side. We are not leaving the house, but did you hear the truck? And then oh, the excavator! And then here's the excavator. Here's the excavator. Hello, excavator. Yeah, it's an excavator. And it's still going. Whoa! Hello.
Wave at him. Wave at him.
Hello, excavator man. Yo. Oh, that's very good. That's very good, yo. I should have moved my camera.